U-shape auto duct Line5. The machine is U-shaped, easy to install, and is suitable for small-sized or mid-sized workshops because it occupies a small space. Power bending function is used to prevent generating the waste and make sure perfect bending accuracy. It only takes 20-25 seconds to make one L-shaped workpiece, and the efficiency will double comparing with the linear type. Without moving back and forth, the fixed locking machine is able to improve the efficiency. It's mainly for TDF angle steel C-shaped flange forming with daily processing capability of 1000 到2500 square meters only with impacting dimensions in duct production. Line can automatically complete uncoiling, leveling, feeding, punching, shearing, locking, forming TDF, angle steel C-shaped flange and folding.